Some days you're the windshield. Some days you're the bug. Some days you're both. Well, good day and welcome to Friday. I'm over here in Solvay, New York picking up a load. Then I don't know if I'm taking this back to the yard or down to HQ or what the plan is. I was just told to come over and pick this up and call when I'm done and they'll figure it out from there. And just happy it's Friday. So good, good. Let's try this again. Well, alrighty then. I say that an awful lot, don't I? Anyway, that load I picked up over in Solvay, took over to the yard, dropped it, and hooked another load, which I brought over here to Syracuse, which is ironically not too far from where I picked up the load over there in Solvay. So now I'm backed in here, just waiting to get unloaded and then find out what kind of mischief and mayhem I can get into next. I'm so happy it's Friday. Yeah, really. Well, all done with my second delivery out here in Syracuse. Taking the empty trailer back over to the yard and grabbing another trailer. I have a feeling that I'm playing pinball today. Like Ricochet Rabbit. Bing, bing, bing! Well, I took the empty trailer I had back to the yard, dropped that. Then I sat there for about an hour until they figured out what they wanted to do with me. And now I have the load that I originally picked up this morning. I'm hooked up to that. I'm running that down to HQ, which will put me just over 2,500 miles for the week. So that's pretty sweet, considering I haven't been over 2,000 in quite some time. Got a little rain falling, as you can see. Rolling down 481 south. Well, I'm down here in McGraw, New York. Wrapping up my 30-minute DOT safety waste of time break. It's the first time I've ever stopped at this particular place. Not too bad. The bathroom wasn't really all that great, but they got a Subway here. I grabbed myself a sub. And now I'm getting back on the highway, rolling on down to HQ. If I can get out of here. The pit stop over there, that little convenience store over there, I've stopped there a few times. That's pretty decent. If I ever pull off on this exit again, that's where I'd stop. The bathrooms are always clean in there. Staff is always friendly. The pizza's not too bad. I mean, it's good, don't get me wrong. The pizza's not bad. It's, you know, just, it's convenience store pizza, let's put it that way. It's not like what you're going to find at your local mom and pop pizza shop, you know. Still dealing with some sprinkles today. 81 southbound and down. Wow. DOT's got the lights on. Means they want to chat. They normally don't come out to play when it rains. Maybe this is a fluke. Looks like it's just a drive-through. Maybe they got new raincoats and they want to test them out. This is the Whitney Point rest area. I've shown this a couple times. T.Rucker 316 has shown it a couple times. It's raining. We got the lights on. It appears they have a couple customers. Apparently nobody wants to talk to me today, and I'm okay with that. They're in there, they're working. Four, three, two, one. Ah, that's the bestest sound I've heard all day, as it is every day. Okay, real quick, drove 344 miles today, which puts the grand mileage total for the week up to 2,596, just under 2,600 miles. That's awesome, beautiful. I haven't had that many miles in a while. Hey, I'm a poet and didn't know it. Today wasn't too bad, not too shabby. I got my assignment for Monday, and it's basically right back to the norm that I was doing before this week happened. I have a 2-stop delivery. First stop is in Canandaigua. Second stop is in Ontario. Not a big money maker. We'll see how next week's check is. I almost had a brain fart there. We'll see how next week's check is, and see if this past week was worth it. And then gonna have to do some serious talking. So, well, I'm gonna go home and get some pizza and some frosty barley pops. So until next week, I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good weekend when you get to it. Y'all have a good day, eh? I'm out of here. Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go.